artists! Today, we are going to draw a cute and colorful iPod together. It has fun headphones and a happy little face.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, let's draw a rectangle. Nice and tall. Awesome job! Now draw a small rectangle inside for the display screen. Next, let's draw 2 circles for the buttons.
Please subscribe my channel. Please, please, please.
Wow, it's looking amazing already. Now draw the headphone jack and the long cables. Make them nice and curvy. Next, let's draw the earpieces at the end of the cables. So cool! Finally, let's draw 2 cute eyes and a smiling mouth on the display. Oh, your iPod looks so happy. Nice job, everyone. Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it is time to color. Let's bring out our rainbow color pens. Red color.
Please subscribe my channel. Please, please, please.
Orange color.
La 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 la.
Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Pink color.
Please subscribe my channel. Please, please, please.
Wow! Your cute iPod looks bright and colorful. Awesome job today, little artists. Keep drawing and keep having fun. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub.
Hey, little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're drawing something super cool and cute. A smartphone with a happy face. All right, grab your black marker and let's begin. First, let's draw a big rectangle right in the middle of our paper. This will be the main shape of our cute smartphone. Please subscribe my channel. Please, please, please. Next, inside the big rectangle, draw a smaller rectangle to make it look like the phone screen. Perfect. At the bottom of our phone, let's add a small heart shape for the home button. Now it's time to add a face. Let's draw 2 big, adorable eyes on the screen. To make it even cuter, let's add 2 long ears on top of the phone, 1 on each side. These ears are like little bunny ears. So cute! Now, let's decorate our picture with a few small hearts around the phone. These hearts make it look like our phone is full of love and happiness. Fantastic! Our drawing is almost done. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork really pop. Go over all the lines carefully. Please subscribe my channel. Please, please, please. Look at our cute smartphone. It almost looks like it's ready to dance. Yay! Great job. Now it's time to color. Let's grab our color pens and get started. We'll be using 3 colors today. Let's start with red color for the heart button and the hearts around it. Then we'll use pink color for the cute little ears. Finally, use light pink color for the phone.
Please subscribe my channel. Please, please, please.
Wow, it looks amazing. So bright and cheerful. Our adorable smartphone drawing is all done. Hey little artist! Today, we're going to draw and color a super cute tablet with a sweet face and a big bell. Draw a big rectangle to make the tablet's shape. On the top left corner, draw a cute ribbon to make it extra adorable. Inside the first rectangle, draw another smaller rectangle for the screen. Draw a tiny speaker and a small camera at the top. At the bottom, add a heart-shaped button. Draw 2 big round eyes and a little smiling mouth on the screen.
La da 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 dee.
Add some small hearts around the tab to make it look even more lovely. Nice job, everyone! Now let's make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop.
Please subscribe my channel. Please, please, please.
Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Let's bring our cute tablet to life with colors. Red color.
Wow!
Yellow color.
La 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 la.
Purple color. Pink color.
Please subscribe my channel. Please, please, please.
Blue color. Wow! Look at our super cute tablet. It looks amazing. Great job, little artists. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun drawings. See you in the next video.
Yay! Yay!
Happy drawing! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.